First up this evening, the 18-year-old student of Wolmer's Boys School in Kingston who sent a voice note threatening violence against his fellow students was questioned this afternoon by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC.
The young man who was detained this morning was questioned along with his parents and other students.
It is not clear when the voice note was made, but in light of recent school shootings in the United States, its existence, which listed potential targets, caused anxious moments at Wolmer's Boys School this morning. TVJ's Herman Green reports from our newsroom.
Thank you, guys. Well, a decade ago, a comment like this from a teenager would have been brushed aside as nothing. But in light of several school shootings in the United States, including one just last week in Parkland, Florida, parents, teachers, and particularly the police are treating this voice note seriously.
The 10 minutes and 35-second voice note was circulated on social media Monday morning. In it, a teenager who identifies himself as a student of the Wolmer's Boys School threatened to carry out a mass killing. He lists societal behavior and being ostracized by friends as his motivation. The voice note caught the attention of head of CTOC, Assistant Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey.
We had actually deployed personnel, operational persons to the particular school just in case. A decision was taken and I was dispatched as the head of CTOC. It shows the level of seriousness that was placed on such a voice note.
We're aware of it. We have gotten the student, we have spoken to the student and parent, and it is being dealt with. The school community is extremely safe.
A release from the police high command said a high-level investigative team is now probing the threat. ACP Bailey confirmed with TVJ News that the 18-year-old student who created the voice note was identified and held for questioning. His parents were also called in for questioning.
I just want to reassure the public that there is no need to be panicked at this time. We believe that the individual, based on our assessment, do not have the capacity or the capability to execute the plans that he has actually outlined on the voice note.
We were told that some parents who heard the voice note kept their children at home. However, others say they did their own assessment of the situation.
I actually did hear the voice note. I was very concerned, but the school had sent out information that the students were safe.
Based on what is happening, they just need a little attention. You know, what is happening, like when we listen in the States and all of this thing, what's happening in the States. We just figure same should do something to get little attention.
Now, earlier this afternoon, ACP Bailey also gave an insight into the investigation so far. For one, he says, from what he has seen so far, the 18-year-old student is more intelligent than the average student. He left primary school on a scholarship, we understand, and now has several scholarship offers for universities. He also noted, however, that he is not the only teen being questioned.
We have actually taken into our custody, if you may, 2 other students who were actually questioning in relation to certain statements that were actually made in that voice note. And we are exploring, as I said, all the leads. But I want to reassure the nation that there is no need to be panicked at this time.
So we'll continue to monitor this investigation and provide the information as it becomes available. Reporting from the newsroom, I'm Herman Green. It's now back to you.